Unit 1, End of Unit Retake. Question 1. Polyhedra A and B are both composed of 5 cubes. How do their surface areas compare? A. A's surface area is less than B's surface area. B. A's surface area is equal to B's surface area. C. A's surface area is greater than B's surface area. D. There is not enough information given to compare their surface areas. Question 2. When each net is folded, what polyhedron does it make? If a polyhedron cannot be made, write none. Question 3. A cube has a side length of 5 inches. What is the cube's volume in cubic inches? Circle the expressions that represent the cube's volume in cubic inches. Question 4. A square has a side length 14 centimeters. What is its area? 5. A square has an area of 25 cubic centimeters squared. What is its side length? 6. Evaluate each expression. 7. Find the surface area of each rectangular prism. Label each answer with the correct units. Question 8. Here is a net made of right triangles and rectangles. All measurements are given in centimeters. Question A. If the net were folded and assembled, what type of polyhedron would it make? Question B. What is the surface area of the polyhedron? Explain your reasoning.